What's up, YouTube? I just found the most fire seats. Check it out.
They say when it rain, it pours, and it's pouring. But I got holes in my umbrella. Been through the mud and mama jealous. At first it was love, but now they jealous, yo. Yeah, I gave all I had, so I don't sell to stay at my last dollar stressing, yeah. It's lit.
Man, I was just walking around and I just happened to look in the window at the saddle. Check out that interior. These look just like the G6 seats. Got your controls on the side. You get your seat warmers. These seats are immaculate. Now, I'm pretty sure it is the same exact G6 seats. Same seats. Get that peanut butter guts. I'm so tempted to take this. I didn't come for this, but that's insane. I didn't care about the sunroof. That console's nice. Steering wheel. That's a sick color. And this thing's like flawless. I don't see any rips. Back seats. See if I can open this up. Yeah, these are definitely like G6 seats. If I had a four-door box Chevy, I would grab these seats in a heartbeat. These things are sick. I don't think I've ever seen that color. Like, I mean, I would fucking upholster based on my seats right here. Even those door panels, you probably take those, fiberglass it. Yeah, if this thing was a two-door, I need to find this in a two-door. 08 Aurora or 08 Aura. Sick. I'm telling you, man, don't sleep in the junkyard. This thing is nice. I mean, I could put it in my two-door, but this thing is nice. I don't want to break it.
One eternity later.
It's good, YouTube. So I did change my mind. I couldn't let the seat go. This is like peanut butter out of 08 Aura Saturn. It's pretty easy to take them out. Basically, you have two T50s, one there, one over here, and I just cut these power cables, or the harness cables. I believe these were my 2 power wires last time. So before I pay for it, I'm gonna test this out. I may need a gray wire. I can never remember. I gotta look at my video. But I think it might be these 2 wires and the black wire. Well, on the Saturn, it just might be these 2 wires right here. But we're gonna try it out. On the harness on the seat. I gotta take the passenger side off. The rear seat's already popped out. And then I'll get the back seat. I may just get the front seats, pay for it, and then come back and unload these so I don't have to carry so much stuff. But that's what we're doing today. I love the friggin' seat. It's pretty much a G6 seat. Pretty much identical. So yeah, man, there it is. I've never seen this color. I didn't even know about the XRs. This is Saturn's high-end car. Fully tricked out. All the features. If I could use those panels, I would. I really just need the inserts. So that may be something I do. You guys who like sunroofs, those are nice switches. The roof is a decent size, it's not huge. And I might tear that out and see if that's universal, if it's like sandwiched in for you guys. Has the auto dimming mirrors, North Star, or OnStar, sorry. And make phone calls with it. Anyway, it's your boy Loco. What's up, YouTube? So when you're removing power seats, this is like a common issue at a junkyard where the seat's too far back to get to the bolts to unloosen them. So if you see there, the black bolt there, that T50, I need to get that out, but the track is like over it, and the track's way over it on this side. For some reason I didn't see the T50, even though I know these seats have a T50. So I started taking that one bolt out, and then I looked down, it's like F, because I was trying to figure out why I need to take these like 13mm bolts out. So when you have this problem, I did a video on this before, but just as for all you guys who never seen me do this, what you want to do is follow the wiring harness from the motor all the way to like where it meets it starts to go under carpet. So it was this wire right here. So I cut this because that'll be the only wire that's connected to the big harness right here. So I snipped that off, scissors, and I came up with this. And as you can notice, you have all these small gauge, actually big gauge, thinner wires. Then you have these two power wires. Black is normally your ground, and the red and white, the red and black stripe is your power in this case. I didn't look at the video that I did before. I may need this gray wire. Pretty sure I might need this gray wire also. But I'm using the jump box I used for the power panoramic roof. Like I said, you don't need a car battery. This can jump a car battery, so this is strong enough for you to use. But once you have it turned on, I just have to hold it until it's green. Make sure it's on. And there you go. I can slide it all the way. All the way forward. With this little jumper box. A jump box is a great thing to have in a junkyard. And see how thin it is? It's pretty much as thin as my cell phone. There you go. There's the tip of the day. Just to give you guys a closer look again. This is the harness I cut right here. Because when you do your swap, all you need is really these two power wires. And this seat is heated, so I may have to use some of these other wires to tap into. But that's it. Cut the harness, see that big. All these cars are the same, especially the G6 and I guess now Saturn. Same way, any ones with these type of seats, any power seats, you're normally gonna have two thicker wires. I believe I was confusing the panoramic roof where you needed that gray wire or a third wire. But these two wires, ground and then your power. And you see I got the bolts out now, just two T50s. And the front of the seat just has two hooks. All you gotta do is like push the chair forward and up, and then it'll come out. But I need 2 hands, so let me do that real quick. Alright, YouTube, so if you're removing like G6 seats or like the Saturn Aura, they're pretty much identical, probably a lot of Pontiacs. So what you're gonna need, this is how I did it, you don't have to do it. If you don't want to take off this part with it, right here there's a T30 screw you gotta take out, or bolt. Take out the T30 here, and then right there you'll have a 19 millimeter nut. Take that off, and then on this seat belt here you're gonna have another 19 millimeter bolt. So you want to take out the bolt on this side, the bolt on the passenger side, and then the other 19 millimeter nut right there, right there, right here. So you should have 4 of them, 2 of these, and then 2 of the nuts on the middle seat belts. And then it's pretty much loose on the bottom. And then for the top, you just hit these little levers, these little tags, pull back. You're gonna have 2 13 millimeter bolts, 1 here, 1 there, and then there's 2 more behind the other seat. Same way, you pull the little release. See how it releases? You're gonna do that over there on that little handle and remove the 2 13 mils bolts right there and right there. So you got 4 at the top, and then you have these 4 at the bottom. And then for this brace, you have the T30. So you can separate this here, but if you want the whole thing, there's some more bolts underneath this little plastic clip in the middle on both sides. And there's nothing on the end holding this. So I hope that helps you out. Thanks. Anyway, this is your boy Loco. Rain, snow, sleet, mud, ice. Be out here. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.